18 years ago, I started the OptaPlanner project, but recently, OptaPlanner was declared end of life. Luckily, we're continuing the open source project as Timefold, with a dedicated company around it, including the original OptaPlanner team. Timefold Solver is more reliable, twice as fast, more powerful, and easier to get started with. You can upgrade your code from OptaPlanner to Timefold today with a single command. Let's see if I can do it in less than a minute. Timefold Solver fixed 50 bugs, including security issues, since it forked from the OptaPlanner codebase. We release a new minor version every month and hotfixes as needed. Timefold is faster. For example, when I run the latest Hello World Quick Start with OptaPlanner and Timefold on my laptop one by one, it returns the same result. But Timefold is twice as fast. As you can see in the log, the score calculation speed doubles. That means it does the same work in half the time. It does depend on your use case. For example, in the vehicle routing problem, it has a speed improvement of 240%. That's 3 times faster. Your mileage may vary, but Timefold is always significantly faster. PlanningListVariable now supports leaving elements unassigned when there's too much work. In vehicle routing, you can now remove the infamous dummy vehicle hack. In some datasets, this change solves it 30 times faster. With our new score analysis API, you can show your users which constraints affect the score and by how much. Just send the JSON-friendly analysis object to your UI for visualization. We've also improved our documentation and quick starts. Our quick starts now include the vehicle routing problem with capacity and time windows, maintenance scheduling, employee scheduling, food packaging, order picking, school timetabling, facility location, conference scheduling, bed allocation scheduling, flight crew scheduling, meeting scheduling, sports league scheduling, task assignment, project job scheduling, and tournament scheduling. That's a long list. The world is really full of planning problems. Can I upgrade from OptaPlanner to Timefold in less than a minute? Start the timer. So I've checked out the OptaPlanner Quick Starts repository, and I'm now just going to run the Hello World example. And while it's running, I'll just show you that, as you can see here, this is the lesson class from the example, and it has org.OptaPlanner imports. And you can see when we run it, we had a score calculation speed of 63,000. So let's actually now upgrade this to Timefold. So I go to the Timefold website, and here I can choose between the Maven and the Gradle command, and I'll just take the Maven command in this case. So I copy that, I go back over here, paste that in, I run that, and now it's going to upgrade all of my code from OptaPlanner to Timefold. This includes import statements, but also dependencies and so forth in my build files. And you can see it's finished right now. So if we look into this class, you'll see it now has AI.Timefold solver imports. If I ask Maven to sync this, it all resolves, of course. And now let's actually build the project again. I see if it actually builds without OptaPlanner. And in fact, it does. All right. And now we're going to actually run it again to see if it's faster or not. So let's do that. I'm going to run the Java -jar again. 63,000 was the result last time. And now I'm running it again. And you can see the result is now 119,000. So it's faster, and that's how you know it's Timefold. So if you're still running OptaPlanner, what are you waiting for? Upgrade today.